Okay. So now we have already proved that Hagen-Poiseuille equation. So now a numerical problem from that. A pipe 20 centimeter in diameter and 10 km long slopes upwards at a slope of 1 in 250 meter. That means slope is 1 by 250. Okay, of pipe length traversed, full stop. An oil of viscosity 0.15 kg per meter second. Okay, and specific gravity 0.83 is required to be discharged through it at the rate of 25 liters per second. So viscosity, that means coefficient of viscosity is 0.15 kg per meter second, and the specific gravity is 0.83, and discharge, that means Q, is 25 liter per second. Full stop. Determine the head loss due to friction and the power required to drive the pump. So we know that equation of head loss that we get from the cone equation, Darcy-Weisbach equation, that is loss due to friction equal to 4FLV square by 2GD. Okay. Okay, so given data, that is mu equal to 0.15 kg per meter second. Okay, so okay, bolo.
Hello.
Bolo.
Hello.
Bolo.
Viscosity unit
viscosity unit kg per meter second এ দিয়েছে, কারণ সেখান থেকে দিতেই পারি আমরা, মানে কেজি ফোর্স, কারণ সেখান থেকে আমরা পেতে পারি যে 0. kg ফোর্স means 0.15 নিউটন সেকেন্ড per meter square. ওকে, হ্যালো, বুঝতে পেরেছো? এটাকে কনভার্ট করতে হবে, কেজি ফোর্সে লেখা আছে, ওই জন্য এখান থেকে কনভার্ট করলে হবে 0.15 Newton second per meter square, and rho here is given here specific gravity is given. Specific gravity is actually 0.83, so here should be 0.83 just into 1000 equal to 830 kg per meter cube. It should be, but here is written 0.85. So okay, it's a printing mistake. So 0.85 here is the we assume that specific gravity here 0.85. So 0.85 is the specific gravity, and how can we get the density into 1000? Okay, so 850 kg per meter cube, that is the density. Okay, so we average velocity here we can find out from the discharge. The discharge is 25 liter per second. Okay, so what should so we convert it into the meter cube per second. So here the cross section of the pipe, is given, that is 20 centimeter. Pipe diameter of the cross section is 20 centimeter. So we convert it into meter. So 20 centimeter is equal to 0.2 meter here. So here area is pi by 4 into 0.2 square. Okay, so the discharge is 25 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube per second. So V average equal to 0.796 meter per second. Okay, মিটার কত আসছে এটা 0.796 meter per second. So that is the V average. Okay, so now we have to find out the Reynolds number. So we have to find out the Reynolds number here. So what is the Reynolds number? Reynolds number is the rho Vd by mu. So here rho is the 850. Okay, and velocity is the 0.796 and d is the 0.2 by mu. Mu, that means coefficient of dynamic viscosity, that is 0.15. So Reynolds number is 902. So here Reynolds number 902. So 902 means that is less than 2000. So what kind of flow is it? Reynolds number is less than 2000. So what kind of flow is? Can you hear me?
Laminar flow.
Laminar flow, because that is the less than 2000. The flow is laminar flow, and according to Darcy friction coefficient F should be, in case we can get from the Hagen-Poiseuille equation that in case of laminar flow, the F should be F. এটা কিন্তু laminar flow হলেই হবে, F is equal to 16 by RE. ওকে, তাই তো? এটা আগের দিন করিয়েছিলাম ডেরিভেশনটা, সবাই দেখেছো, বাড়িতে প্র্যাকটিস করেছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
যাই হোক, F equal to 16 by RE, so 16 RE, that is 902. So F is equal to 0.01774. Okay, so that is the friction factor, that is called the Darcy friction factor. So head loss due to friction, that is the 4FLV square by 2GD. So here F4 into F equal to 0.01774 into L. What is the L? 10 kilometer long. Rahul Kumar এখন মনে পড়লো ক্লাসের কথা।
ও স্যার ছিল স্যার, ওই 39 ওইটাই রাহুল কুমার।
ওকে ওকে, so L is a 10 kilometer, we convert it into the meter. So here 10 into 1000, that convert into meter. 10 into 1000, that means 10,000 meter long into V square 0.796 square by 2 into G 9.81 into 0.2, that is equal to 114.58 meter. So head loss due to friction is 114.58 meter. Okay, so determine the head loss due to friction and the power. So head loss due to friction is calculated here, that is 114.58 meter. Now you have to calculate the power. Okay, so for calculation of power, you have to calculate the total head. Total head is that is the head loss due to friction. So total head is H. Now the head loss due to friction is 114.58. And how can you get the total head? Here the slope is given. The slope means that is inclination of the pipe. So pipe length is 10,000 meter, the slope is 120 meter. So slope into pipe length is 40 meter, that is the head, height through which oil is to raised. that is the perpendicular. We have to actually calculate the perpendicular. So the hypotenuse is 10,000 and slope is 1 by 120. So what should be the height? The height is 40 meter. So do you understand this?
Yes,
Please
sir.
reply.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here slope is 1 by 120 and pipe length is 10,000. That is the actually here pipe length is the hypotenuse of the triangle. Okay. So the height should be 120 into 10,000, that is 40 meter, the perpendicular height, that is also head. Okay. So total head H is 114.58, that is head loss due to friction. Actually, there are other types of head losses, but we consider only the friction loss because the friction loss is a major loss. Other losses are the minor loss. So we are not considering here. Actually, that are not given in the question also. So we have to consider only the friction loss. The friction loss, head loss due to friction is in terms of height or head, that is 114.58, and the perpendicular height is the 40. So total head against which the oil is to be pumped, that is 114.58 plus 40, that is 154.58 meters. That is the total head. So we know the power required to drive the pump, that is called the water power. We know that the water power is the rho g q into h. Okay, rho g q into h. Rho is the density, so rho 850 into g equal to 9.81, q equal to 25 in 10 to the power minus cube meter cube per second, into total h is the 154.58. So it becomes something wrong here. So it becomes 32,224 watt, 32.0. That is 32,224 watt, and that becomes 32.2 kilowatt. We divided by the 1,000 and it comes 32.2 kilowatt. So any problem? Please actually you calculate this, just calculate this rho g qh. Anybody?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, but please just calculate this rho g qh. Is it come 32,224 watt?
Correct minute.
Yes, sir. Right.
Yes, sir. Yes.
হ্যালো স্যার,
হ্যাঁ বলো।
আমার কিছু পাই না কেন? হ্যাঁ স্যার,
হ্যাঁ শুনতে পাচ্ছি তো।
হ্যাঁ স্যার